This tutorial is about blood circulatory system of earthworm. Here we are seeing lateral view of worm. The worm side to the soil is ventral and free surface is dorsal. It is lateral section, so in between the body to the anterior side, mouth is there. It has complete alimentary canal, so the posterior opening is anus. Now to the dorsal side of the body, a blood vessel is there. In simple dorsal view from upper side, this line appears and it runs along the body to the middle side. We can see this line externally. This line is dorsal blood vessel. A blood vessel nearer to the ventral side. And it is considered as ventral blood vessel. Now to provide connection between DBV and VBV, there occur lateral structures. These are considered as lateral hearts. It is a ring-like structure which provide connection between DBV and VBV. If we take the circular section, it means worm is cutted in form of chips. As the body is cylindrical, the shape of the chip is circular. It is considered as transverse section. So to the free surface of the body, we can see opening of dorsal blood vessel. And the side which is in contact with soil, there occur opening of ventral blood vessel. In between the body, there occur alimentary canal and lateral hearts provide connection between DBV and VBV. Now the skin of worm is moist and secretion from the skin makes it very much moist, so that's why atmospheric oxygen firstly diffuses in the skin and then from this atmospheric oxygen by using capillaries enter into dorsal blood vessels. So atmospheric oxygen firstly enter into DBV, and by then using lateral halts it run to the ventral part of the body. This is the main circulatory system: dorsal blood vessel, ventral blood vessel, and heart generally are provided with network of blood capillaries. These capillaries reaches to the organ or tissue of the body. Now to understand the exchange of oxygen and CO2 to the organ, we take the organ structure. Organ which consists tissue and which contains cells. So to learn gaseous exchange, we start with skin. Skin receive oxygen. This oxygen firstly enter into DBV, dorsal blood vessel, then it enters into lateral heart. Heart pump blood towards ventral blood vessel. This vessel produces capillaries. Minute capillaries arises from the ventral blood vessel, and it reaches to organ. This blood contain oxygen. As the wall of the capillary is very much thin, so from blood oxygen diffuses from the blood into the cell. Here the blood which contain oxygen is represented by red color. Now find capillary network occur which are connected to this capillary network, which run along the organ tissue. When metabolic activity occur within the cell produces carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide enter into blood capillaries surrounded to the organ, and this CO2 enters into microcapillaries. Now CO2 enters into main ventral blood vessel, then by using lateral halt this reaches to dorsal blood vessels, and this deoxygenated or carbon dioxide rich blood reaches to the skin. So from skin CO2 enters into atmosphere.